Okay, here's the deal. Now we are going into the lesson 6, that is building trust from day one. In financial services, this is fundamental. And this is why I want to stress this point after what we have all talked about in our school community and in the other videos. This is another lesson that actually comes specific at this point, and this is why I want to stress the importance of this. If you're in financial services, trust isn't just a nice to have, okay? It's the only thing that matters. Clients aren't just handing over money, they're handling over their future. You need to prove that you're worth it from every interaction. Let's dive into it and break down exactly how you do that. Okay? So, why there is a hard truth? Why this credibility matters that much? So, your clients decide whether they trust you before they even speak to you. Okay, this is going to be sounding a little bit, but it's like going to a club and trying to flirt. So they have decided already. So it sounds crazy, right? But think about it. Okay, would you put your money into a bank or work with a wealth manager if you are not exactly sure that they are reliable? Would you be walking around giving money like any like a weird influencer? No way. No way. That's why your credibility needs to shine through right from the start. Whether you're a bank, a credit union, or a financial advisor, okay? Lack of trust, it's a game over before you even started. So think about these deal breakers, think about this first impression, think about these important assets, not only from the content standpoint, also from the sales standpoint. But here we're going to be talking about marketing. Sales, that's not our forte. So you have to pass them the ball. So you have to build this trust so they can actually go for the kill. So how you build this trust from day one? Let's get real tactical here, okay? Transparent messaging. Stop with the jargon. Seriously, stop with that. Make it simple. Clients want to know exactly what they are getting. When you talk too much, you lose their attention. Simplify your language. Be direct. Be clear. Second, showcase client success stories. Everybody loves a good testimonial. So new clients need proof. Go to your Google My Business and show them how amazing your score is. Show them a real testimonial from them. Show them a recording. Get some social with a specific client talking wonders about you. They want to see that you've done this before and that you can deliver real results. Use real stories, real numbers. People actually do their research before they actually talk to you, you know? For example, I have worked with other businesses that they were able to get like 4.9 stars, more than 2,000 reviews in Google, and it was a done deal before even they didn't even they just needed to actually showcase that, you know. So set realistic expectations, overpromise and undeliver. That's the fastest way to destroy trust. Instead of aiming through the moon, promise a little less, more specific, and over deliver every single time. Give them more. Okay, give them value, give them something that they are not expecting, that it's something that they really appreciate. Under promise, over deliver, and watch them turn into lifetime clients. So don't spoil them. Okay, they're like little kids sometimes. So you have to actually build the trust from them and actually do not do not under promise. Okay. Ah, so actually, no, do not no under promise. Actually, yeah. So here's a secret. Okay. This is going to sound not really creative, but hey, the times where they're being super creative are not really I mean, if you have like that amazing kind of mind that actually can create like a class type of ads, okay, good for you. But just stick to what really works. And testimonials and case studies are your best friends in this game. Why? Because they are not talking. This is not you talking about you. Okay, nobody really cares about the people that they talk about themselves. They're your clients talking about you. Okay, and that's why way more powerful. Okay, don't just collect generic reviews. Focus on specifics. Okay, people look and love specifics. Here's how. So client testimonials. Don't settle. So get them, highlight the before and after. What problem did you solve? What was the end result like? Um, I helped us boost our savings plan signups by 20% in 3 months. That is a tangible. That shows a real result. Okay. Case studies. Do not uh, do not dress yourself like a fantastic guy. No, the case studies are way more powerful. Break down the challenge, the solution, and the outcome. Show the transformation. Like client A was struggling with compliance. We implemented X, Y, Z, and now they're hitting their growth targets. It's about showing that you understand their world. That's important, and that you can deliver. Okay. I know that this might sound basic, but we are going through this real in detail about these specific parts. Later, we will go in detail in the other modules. Okay. But this is just setting yourself for success. Okay. Next thing, ethical marketing. Okay. If you want clients to stick around for the long haul, you need to plan for the long game. Okay. Trust doesn't just happen overnight. You have to keep earning it. And here's how. You have to be always transparent about fees and rates. Okay? Clients hate, I hate, you hate hidden fees. If you are upfront about the cost and can clearly explain the value behind those fees, you win trust. Simple as that. Don't go roundabouts. Don't go overselling and talking about themselves to show that you care and that you know a lot about this. No, tell them, give yourself also value. If you value yourself, they value you. Okay, so that's the only way to keep and win trust. So keep clients in the loop. Look, when things go wrong, people go silent. Okay, and that is a mistake. Make them part of what is happening. Okay, get their feedback. Okay, there might not be a specialist in what they do, but they want to be on the loop. It's their money after all. So your clients will rather hear bad news directly from you than feel that they've been kept in the dark. Okay, send regular updates and be honest about the setbacks. Keep them informed. Be up to date. It takes a little bit more effort and more work, but that's the way to consistency win them ahead of time. And follow through on promises. uh, it's so basic, but nobody does it right. Okay. If you say you'll get back to them in 24 hours, get back to them in 12. Okay. Show them that you are reliable and they will stick with you through anything. Okay. I hate those people, those businesses when they tell, no, I'll call you tomorrow and they never call you back. Please don't be that guy. Okay. So trust building tactics for different financial niches. We spoke about the niches before, so no clients are the same, and that means that your trust building approach can not be the same either. Here's how you tailor your strategy depending on your niche. For example, and because we're like a financial services group here, for banks, you have to use your local presence to your advantage. Sponsor local events. Share stories on your impact in the community. Make them feel that you're investing with a neighbor, not just with another bank. Credit unions. You've got an edge because you are member focused, right? So use those member stories so that you've helped these people to get a loan, to get their car, to get to fix their kitchen. This is for local families. Highlight that personal touch, that service, that one-on-one. And wealth managers, your client wants someone who gets in your client. Your client knows what he's doing. If they're if they're in wealth management, they have wealth. Okay, so give them insights. They know their deal. So share educational content that is actually useful, not numbers. So when they see you as a source of valuable knowledge, they will trust you with their money. Okay? you have to make them participant of their decisions. Yes, you are the specialist, but you are driving the boat, but they are going in the boat with you. So next. All right, so I'm gonna make a stop here. If you're watching in YouTube, you can get a bunch of information, blueprints, contents, material in my school community. The link, you will be finding it below, and it's for free. And please subscribe too for more regular updates and videos. And for those in the school community, you will be there is the homework here. There is homework, and I am going to be doing also this homework. And also, I want to share with you, and please share in the comments. Okay, you have to take action now. So I want you to share one strategy you're using or planning to use. Please do it to build trust with these new clients. What are you doing now? So it could be anything. Maybe you got a killer testimonial system. Maybe you've got a transparency policy with the well clients, or whatever it is. Drop it in the comments. For example, me. I have an amazing testimonials. I have amazing testimonials. I have a very good rating. So I am picking the best testimonials, and what I'm doing is I am getting those testimonials, assign them an 11 Labs voice, different voices for each of them, and I'm creating social with them, so I can make them enjoyable. And also I am thinking about using some sort of AI in order to actually animate people through avatars with that testimonial. But I don't know how real is that's going to be. But for example, this is what I'm doing in order to put out there those testimonials in a cool, snackable way in social, okay? So this is where the magic happens. So let's learn from each other. Let's improve. Let's see those strategies and make them feel better. Okay. So the final thoughts. If you're serious about mastering the trust building in financial services, this is just the start. Okay. This is just the first module. There is a bunch of modules that I'm going to be way more specific. I'm going to be talking about AI, automation. I'm going to be talking about AI in general. I'm going to be talking about like strategic specific content. This is going to be like way more in detail. I'm going to be actually creating content based on your feedback, okay? But this is just the first module. This is just the start here module. So I need you to actually like join, come here, the community, where we will be diving even deeper into strategies like this world tactics, not just theories. I am planning on actually going industry specific with you guys and inviting awesome people. Plus, you'll get access to more exclusive videos, playbooks, and the chance to network with people just like you who are ready to level up. Click in the description, in the link below, and let's make it happen too. So go ahead and do it. What you can find on it, what you can find is exclusive training, actionable playbook, and real world examples. So see you inside, and let's build something great together. Okay? Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson.